Now, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today, as you can see, I'm holding a 2 to 2 to 2 Rubik cube, and last time we solved this one, the 3 to 3 to 3, and yeah, the result is not very good, and I'm trying the best to get it less than a minute. I used to make it less than a minute, but yeah, not now. I used to just. So now I'm going to solve this, and I'm looking at where I can't. Okay, so yeah, 3, 2, 1, start. This one is a bit challenging, yeah, but I'm quite confident that I can do it. Yeah, done. Count how many seconds, and yeah, I think it's less than a minute, so comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. So good night.